Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Saket, as you know. So the last video was good, and in this video I'm going to talk about the accommodation and the things you need to do to get an accommodation in Italy, and how hard it is, and what about the situation in the accommodation in Corona, and what about the university accommodation, what about the Lazio accommodation. I'm going to talk about these things in this video. So please make sure you like, share, and subscribe this channel, and that's it. So let's get started to the YouTube video. Before coming to Italy, you people need to do some simple things to get accommodation here in Italy. The first thing you need to do is to get an accommodation through the university. So before coming to Italy, you people need to mail to an university or the help desk which is there in your university. So if you do that, you will get an good information about the accommodations and the related questions and related answers given by the university to get in your university, which is so cheap compared to the accommodation privately you have taken. So please make sure that you people do an accommodation related queries with your university to get a good accommodation in the cheap price in your university, which is like kind of dorm, or else which is like a private house for 5 people or 4 people or 3 people or 2 people. uh, this is how you need to do before coming to Italy. So the major thing that you need to do after coming to Italy is to get an good accommodation. So you need to be in hotel or to be in your colleagues or in your friend's room at least for 2 days to search a good accommodation to be for 1 year or 2 years or till your course ends. So and as my story. So I have come to Italy and I mailed to my university saying that I need an accommodation for me and my friend. So we were searching for the two people, and university replied for us that there is a house nearby. So they said that the accommodation for the university, which is provided by the university, is not available right now because there is no facility over here in Rieti for us to give accommodation by university. So there are university accommodations given by the university in Rome, but not in Rieti. So we were searching for a good accommodation. So we got that the university is telling to contact such a person. So we tried to contact them and we got a good accommodation. So that is how my situation went. So if you are searching for the accommodation after coming here, then you need to do some things and you need to face some problems because it's little difficult to stay in hotel and search for the accommodation. So these are the simple steps that you need to do after coming to Italy to get an accommodation if you're searching from an hotel or else from your colleague's house. These are the simple things so that you may to make your search a little bit fast to get an accommodation. So the first thing you need to do is to get an hotel. To get an hotel, you can go to Airbnb, which is the best app, online app or online website, which you can visit the Airbnb website and get a good hotel for staying to 1 or 2 days, and you can get that hotel and you can stay over there and you can search for the accommodation. To in Airbnb, the starting price comes from 17 euros to 1000 euros and go on. So after getting an hotel in Airbnb, you start searching for the accommodation here. So to do accommodation search, you can go to the local agencies or you can go through online to search a good accommodation. As Corona situation is going on, so it's best to go to the online websites and search for the accommodations over there. So in your local areas, you can find the Idealist and Immobile app or websites to get good accommodations. So these websites works through the accommodation given by the private owner, telling that my house is for rent in the website, and you go to the website and take for the rent. So this is how the website works. So you can search. There are some websites I'll link down below. The best websites are to find the houses, and like this you can start searching your accommodation for staying 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. And coming to the agencies, there are some agencies which gives good accommodation policies and which gives good houses for rents, and they do is just give you some houses for rent and they say that this costs this much and you can say your needabilities to them so that they give the exact house for you for the rent. These are the brokers in middle who give you the good accommodation houses. So you people just need to go to the agency office or go to the maps and search for the agencies nearby for the house rentals, and you get some people's numbers or office address, and you can go there and you can ask for them for the houses, and you get some houses, and you can get for the rental for those accommodation. But the thing over here is the agencies cost a little bit more compared to the other one. So if you search in the website or something like that, you get private houses from the private people, so they don't cost anything extra charges. But these agencies charge more amount, like they charge 100 euros for searching the house and giving to you. So it's like a little bit pricey and a little bit costlier than searching your own house, because you are telling the agency to search a house for you. So this is the best way also, but a little bit cost way. But if you want to go to cost efficient, and if you think about the cost and everything, you can go for the online Idealist and Immobiliare. And coming to the Lazio accommodation, Lazio gives every year a good accommodation placements for the people, for the students who are searching for the accommodation here to stay and study. But the Lazio accommodation over here is just in the region of Rome, where Lazio has some dorm rooms for the hostels for the students, which they give as a Lazio accommodation every year. So if you apply for that, and if you are eligible, and if you're studying in the Rome University, and if you're searching for the good accommodation, you can go to the Lazio accommodation, which is good, perfect, uh, and which is so cheap compared to the other accommodations outside the Rome and outside the Lazio thing. So you people just need to go to the Lazio website and laziodisco.it, and there you can apply for the accommodation. So the process and everything may be in another video. So that's it. So this is how you do to get a good accommodation over here in Italy. So please make sure that you follow the simple steps and don't get gambled, or don't pay anyone extra amount of money to do or get an accommodation over you. So please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and if you want more videos, please comment down below which video you want. And that's it. And thanks for the people who are following me and watching my videos, for the information who are going to come to Italy, and thanks a lot.